Hi, my name's Claire Rose. I'm Head of Marketing here at Tecman.
Hi, I'm Brian Cartwright. I'm Head of Inside Sales at Tecman.
And we're here today to talk to you about how we use Dynamics 365 Marketing and Dynamics 365 Sales, or as a lot of people would also know it, Dynamics CRM. So a little bit of background. Obviously we're a Dynamics partner selling Dynamics 365 for ERP and also for CRM. And one of the challenges for us selling business software like that is that people typically change those systems every 7 to 10 years. So when we do get a potential inquiry, a response to a campaign, it's really important that we follow that up correctly. The other thing that is quite a challenge for us here at Tecman is that we have quite long sales cycles.
Timescales can be as long, we found, as sort of 3 to 4 years, or as short maybe as sort of 2 to 3 months. But I think with CRM we can aggregate all the information, all the exchanges, and it allows us to follow up seamlessly.
So we thought what might be useful would be to take a real life example. For the purposes of today, we're going to talk and refer to the customer as SB Limited. And we first came across them in July 2020.
Yes, we saw the company were active on a web analytics tool, Lead Forensics. Lead Forensics integrates directly to Dynamics CRM. We approached SB through the LinkedIn platform, and the tool LinkedIn integrates again seamlessly to Microsoft Dynamics CRM.
So you sent the email. We got a response from them. They said they were interested, they were looking at business systems. What happened next?
We invited the individual to an upcoming event in July, which unfortunately he was able to make, and I think the project was held back slightly. However, he did attend an event in November, and CRM allowed us to retain contact and understand the previous conversations.
We record all of that in CRM as well, don't we? We use the opportunity management in CRM. Proposals also get hold in CRM because it's linked to the document management capabilities of SharePoint. I'm pleased to say we won the opportunity in the following March. The other thing we use CRM for is email marketing. So we send quite a lot of emails, so we would have invited the contact via email to the event. And again, we can see all that in CRM directly against the contact. So we can see that the contact's been emailed about it on that day.
Very much an insight into his behaviour and what he's clicked into and what was of interest.
So the only other thing we haven't talked about really is how we use Teams and CRM. We had been using it as a marketing team for quite a while, not just for the obvious video calling, but we use it for interacting as a team when we're reviewing new creative. And so we've been using Teams like that for a while, but we use Teams as our actual phone system. And the advantage of that is that we can actually call the contacts directly from CRM. So I think hopefully you'll see CRM is very much at the heart of everything we do here in Tecman. It really is absolutely fundamental to the way that we work.